Today we are going to discuss about new topic, bullet graph. So what is bullet graph in Tableau? So bullet graph is like a bar chart where we can compare two measures with respect to each other. In a scenario, I would like to compare the last year sales versus current year. For example, I would like to see the sales with respect to segment wise, furniture wise, with 2020 and 2021 sales. Here, this indicator gives the 2020 sales and this bar indicates 2021 sales. So by seeing itself, my 2021 sales are more than 2020 sales with respect to consumer wise, furniture wise. So like this. So how can we achieve this kind of scenario by using bullet charts? Let's get into that. To achieve that scenario, we need segment, category, and sales with respect to 2021 and 2020. So I'm going to create a calculated field for sales 2020. Sales 2020. If year of order date equal to 2020, then sum of sales. And so why it is giving the error? Because cannot mix and aggregate non-aggregate. So you can choose as sales, then sales. And same way, I'm going to create another calculation field for sales 2021. If year of order date equal to 2021, then sales. So what it will give? It will give the sales with respect to year 2021. My calculation valid. Click on apply. Okay. Now I'm going to select segment. So segment and place a control, category, segment, category, and the sales with respect to 2020 and 2021. And go to show me. Select the by default the bullet graph is available. Click on that. Now I got the bullet graph with respect to my sales 2020 is here. So swap that. How do we swap that? So because this target line I got 2021, but I want my sales with respect to target as 2020, vice versa. So right click on this, swap the reference line fields. Now I got my requirement segment wise, category wise sales. For better understanding, I am moving category into the columns level. Now we got right. Now I want to see, I would like to indicate what are the sales more than the last year 2020. So I'm going to create a calculation field to differentiate that. Perform indicator. If if my sales 2021, my sum of sales 2021 is greater than sum of sales 2020, then good sales. This should be in colon because we are importing a string, and end the if statement. Click on apply. Okay. Drag and drop this performance indicator onto the color. So I'm going to change the color for better sales, I'm going to give indication as hash 25CAC7 is my color code I'm applying. And for now, the sales which are not up to the mark, I'm making it as orange. So click on OK. So if you see here, wherever the orange is, it is the sales less than 2020. This bar indicates 2021 sales which are less than 2020. So now I want to see the more detail level. Now we are seeing at year level. I would like to see month level. So I'm going to duplicate this sheet, and here I'm going to add order date onto the section. My order date with respect to month. So I'm taking it as month and change this automatic to bar. Now here, if you want to see this, instead of here, you can make it to up. You can change with respect to this. Now you can see and change it to entire view. So January, February, everything. Now we are seeing at each month level. Now putting into the dashboard both the sheets. I'm putting sheet 1 and sheet 2. Removing this performance indicators and all. I'm changing generic desktop size. Now I'm applying filter. So if I choose any of this, for example, I am choosing under office supplies corporate, the respective corporate sales with respect to 2021 is a bar, and this is the 2020 sales. Now wherever the blue indication is there, that is my sales are good sales. Wherever orange indicates my sales are not exceeded compared to 2020. You can see here for 2020 7,885 and here 4,970. This is the way we can use the bullet chart to compare the two measures like sales 2021, sales 2020. Hope you guys understood. Thank you.